Hi, this is Caleb from Pin Toolbox. Today, I'm going to show you how you can print a Pinterest board directly to your printer in just a few clicks. To do this, we'll be using Pin Toolbox. Pin Toolbox is a tool for creative professionals that lets you download entire Pinterest boards in just a few clicks. It can download all the full-size images from any board to a single folder on your computer. If you use Pinterest in your design workflow, I think you're going to find this saves you a lot of time. First, let's install Pin Toolbox. To do this, go to pintoolbox.com. You can find the link in the description. Next, click on Add to Chrome, which will take us to the Google Chrome Web Store, where we simply click Add to Chrome again, and then Add Extension. Now that Pin Toolbox is installed, we just need to click the puzzle icon, then click the thumbtack icon. With that, we can now access Pin Toolbox on any Pinterest board. I have this board of cool t-shirts and clothing designs I like. Let me show you how easy it is to download with Pin Toolbox. First, I click the briefcase icon in the Chrome menu bar. You'll see that Pin Toolbox has identified exactly how many pins and sections there are in my board. The free demo version is limited to 15 pins at a time, so I'm going to quickly log into my Pro account, which lets me print unlimited pins. Okay, I'm logged in and ready to print. All I need to do is click Extract Images. This will only take a few seconds, but might take longer if you have a bigger board. For example, one with thousands of pins. Next, I can either download a single section by unchecking everything and then checking a single section, like Nathan for you. Let's print the whole board today by checking everything in a section and everything not in a section, or in other words, every pin on the board. All I have to do next is click Print. It's also worth noting that if I wanted to, I could instead save this to a PDF or download a zip file. In this case, we're printing, so I'm going to click Print. Pin Toolbox now works to download the high quality images and again, only takes a few seconds, but might take longer with larger boards. There are some final instructions we need to follow to get the best printing results. I'll walk you through the steps right now. First, click Print. Then we have the option of adjusting scale and pages per sheet. Scale should be set to footprintable area, while pages per sheet is up to you. You can see that as I increase the number of pages per sheet, I can print more and more pins on the page. So if you need the pins as large as possible, set pages per sheet to 1. Otherwise, set it to a larger number. Finally, I click Print. And here they are. I really hope you found this useful. Please like and subscribe for more tips on how to use Pinterest in your design workflow. And you can find a link to try Pin Toolbox for free in the description below.